Alright, so I had this whole script prepared where I was going to talk about the meaning of happiness or something like that, but it turns out I don't have time, so I'm just going to talk to the webcam about something in physics and SLE that I'm learning right now. In SLE we're reading Augustine, The City of God, and he talks about how God is the ultimate simplicity, and how we're working back from complexity back towards simplicity. And I thought that was really interesting, especially because in physics today, okay, so physics this quarter, we're talking about, we start with Coulomb's law and Gauss's law and all these really unrelated seeming laws, and then we work backwards towards Maxwell's equations, which are really a simple way of stating everything. And so I thought it was really interesting that these two things seem to correspond. Today, after lecture, I was talking to my professor, and it turns out that in quantum field theory, we learn to basically two statements characterize all of electromagnetism. One is that, I guess, spins or something are symmetrical, and the other is that charged particles exist. And it seems that, like, the further you go in physics, the simpler everything gets. And I find it interesting that there's such a big parallel between that and what Augustine says about religion. And so this makes me wonder whether there's some underlying or other superior, the overriding principle which ties simplicity into truth. I thought it would be really interesting if there were, and if we could prove it either physically or mathematically. But it seems either way a poor idea to do it through faith. Although it's interesting that if it does turn out to be correct, faith has led some people there. That's it. See you.